How to add a background photo to Instagram stories. I'm sure you've seen stories like these on Instagram, right? If you've also wanted to create a story like this, then this video is for you. Although it may seem complicated, it really isn't. If you follow my steps, I'm confident you'll succeed. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Then find the post you want to share. The first step is to take a screenshot of the photo. Click on the screenshot to open it. Then click on the pencil icon to edit it. I'll crop it at the top and bottom so it doesn't look like a screenshot. Once you're done, save the photo by clicking Save. I'll use this photo as the background to make it match the photo I'm sharing. You can choose another photo as your background, in which case you can skip this step. Now, let's go back to Instagram. Find the post you want to share again. I'll share a photo from my profile. Share the photo using the standard method. Click on the share icon below the post, then press Add to Story. Shrink the photo you're sharing and move it down so only a small part is visible. Then, press the sticker icon here. To add the background photo, click on Photo. Select the photo from your phone's gallery. Then, enlarge the photo to cover the entire screen. Leave just a little space at the bottom. Next, click on the part of the photo you're sharing. Position and enlarge the photo as desired. You need to be careful in this step. If you click on the background photo, the photo you're sharing won't be visible, so you'll have to repeat the process. All that's left is to share your interesting story. If you liked the idea, like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.